These are the screws that were removed. They are 1.5 inch, size 12 stainless steel screws. The holes in the boat are about 1/4 inch each in diameter. Use a drill to clean out and roughen the interior sides of the holes. Select a drill bit that will fit snug inside the hole. Install a collar to stop the bit from drilling past the hole's depth. Use a countersink drill bit to shape and clean the holes. The conical wall allows inside wall space for the epoxy to bind to and gives enough depth for a smooth gel coat finish. Drill a little at a time. Fill with your fingers until any loose or sharp edges are removed. Clean the holes using a Dremel tool with a medium wire brush. Make sure you remove any loose gel coat. Use the ends of your fingers to feel around the holes and surrounding areas for any sharp edges or loose gel coat. Use a vacuum to remove all dust from inside and around the holes. Place the vacuum hose directly over the hole and clean thoroughly. Apply a small amount of acetone on a soft cloth and clean the entire surface area. Dry with a soft towel or cloth. Tape around each hole to protect the surrounding gel coat finish. Use 2 layers of tape. This will help keep from damaging the surface around the holes when you sand the gel coat. Be sure to watch part 3. I will show you how to fill the holes with epoxy.